Welcome, here I've got Nokia G50 5G and let me show you how to turn on and off device watermark in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's move to left corner button. When we pick it, we can open camera settings. Now we have to simply slide a little bit to photo category. Here at the last position we have watermark option, so let's tap on it. And here we get access to some watermark settings. Now let's focus at the second place with information device name watermark. By using the button from the right we can easily turn it on and turn it off as we need. When we have it turned on, we can see it here in short preview, so this is how it looks like, and we can also pick between two options, Nokia G50 with photograph and without photograph, so you can stay on whatever you need. Let me draw your attention also to the last position of the settings, live preview. We can turn it off and on here from the right also, and when we have it turned on, we can see our watermark in viewfinder before we take a picture. So this is how it looks like. Now let me also take a photo to show you how it looks like at the real picture. Let's tap to right button now to get access to gallery, and this is my photo with watermark in left corner at the bottom. And of course when we don't need it or need the second one, we have to move back to the camera, then to left corner settings, slide down to photo category, tap to watermark and turn it off or change it here as we need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.